As a Muslim, prayer or salah is one of the most important aspects of our daily lives. It's not just a ritual but a way for us to stay connected with our faith and maintain discipline throughout the day. Every Friday, there's an extra special prayer, the Jumu'ah prayer. When praying, Muslim women and men are separated. We also use prayer mat for praying.
A few minutes later.
Guys, so we're going home. Kasi sinundo kami ni Mother. We're in Midsayap, so we're going home. Dulawan.
When going to Dulawan, you will be greeted by breathtaking nature views along the way. Lush greenery surrounds the area, with rolling hills and rivers that add to the peaceful scenery. The natural beauty of the landscape offers a refreshing escape. Dulawan Bridge is a beautiful spot where you can truly appreciate the natural beauty of Datu Piang. From the bridge, you will see the Mindanao River, the longest river in the Philippines. The peaceful waters reflect the changing colors of the sky, especially during sunrise and sunsets. It is a perfect place to take in both the beauty of nature and the serenity of the surroundings. The combination of the flowing river and the colorful skies makes the experience even more special. Datu Piang is a municipality in Maguindanao del Sur, part of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARM, in the Philippines. The practices of the Muslim faith are woven into daily lives. As a predominantly Muslim municipality, the culture is heavily influenced by Islamic teaching and customs. One of the most common transportation in Datu Piang is the payong-payong. Panda is one of the values of Muslim Maguindanaon people, where it is a sign of having celebration or commonly used for a wedding. Despite being a predominantly Muslim town, Datu Piang is a home to a diverse population including Christians. This diversity is reflected in the presence of both mosques and churches within the community. One of the most famous pastel in Datu Piang is located here in our neighbor. Pastel is a traditional dish originating from the Moro culture in the Philippines, particularly in the Bangsamoro region. It consists of a serving of steamed rice topped with a flavorful mixture, typically made from chicken cooked in a blend of spices. Tinadtag is a traditional food in Datu Piang from the Maguindanaon culture, particularly popular in the Bangsamoro region of the Philippines. It represents the culinary heritage and communal traditions of the Maguindanaon people. Preparing and sharing this food during festivals highlights the values of hospitality and togetherness that are central to our culture.
Few moments later.
In the municipal plaza of Datu Piang, a cannon near the cemented letters of Shrine Datu Piang symbolizes the legacy of Amay Mingka, the son of Datu Piang. This cannon represents the strength and resilience of the community.
Arca saya sekarang begal. Enjoy. Mama tegas pa mo. Siya akan begal. No.
Let's eat best.
Datu Piang Plaza is a lively community space with many places for kids to play. It has slides, in Maguindanaon what we call is the Lurusan, and swings known as Puyutan. These areas are perfect for children to have fun and make friends. The plaza is a great spot for families to spend time together, helping to strengthen community bonds and create a friendly atmosphere. As a daughter who loves to bond with my family, I cherish the time we spend together, especially when having heartfelt conversations. This moment is incredibly meaningful to me. I believe that this experience strengthens our connections, and I also thrive on creating lasting memories and fostering a sense of unity and support within our family. For me, love and togetherness are what truly make our home joyful and harmonious. Manga ulib is a traditional food cherished in Maguindanaon culture, especially among Muslims. This mango is often enjoyed with a dipping sauce made of toyo, ginamos, and sili. This combination enhances its sweetness and adds a savory spitty kick. Manga ulib symbolizes hospitality and community bonding, making it a beloved food that reflects the rich culinary heritage of the Maguindanaon people.
We're back. Malasa mo na. Inumbos niya talaga. I'm the one who will wash this.
As a daughter, I always take the initiative to wash the plates after meals. It's a simple task, but for me, it's a way to contribute to the family.
Approximately 10 hours later.
We're going to...
Alonganan Datu Piang is where my father's hometown is, and we always make it a point to visit, especially to pay our respects at the grave of Ama, my grandfather. One notable aspect of Maguindanaon culture is the use of the awang or traditional boat, which plays a significant role in transportation and fishing along the rivers and waterways of the region. Traditional way of bathing often involves swimming in the river, which is not only a practical means of hygiene but also a cultural practice that fosters a sense of community. Being in Alanganan reminds us of the values and traditions that Ama instilled in our family, and it strengthens our bond as we gather to remember him.
Hundred and 46 minutes later.
Dato Piang Plaza features a statue of a woman on the second stage that symbolizes Maguindanaoan culture. The statue depicts a woman wearing a long dress or a Muslim dress and an Inaw Malong, reflecting the values of elderly Maguindanaoan women. This representation honors their strength and their significance in the community while celebrating traditional attire and cultural heritage. For me, I really enjoy having long conversations with my friends. We often meet or hang out in our home. Our talks cover a wide range of topics from funny stories about our day-to-day lives to serious discussions about our dreams and challenges. After a weekend away, I finally returned to Midsayap to continue my studies. As a student, I value the connections I make with my classmates. I enjoy communicating and building friends with them. I also take support with my friend in her activities and be a supporting system. Lastly, during lunchtime, my friends and I always share a table together. This time allows us to relax and enjoy our meals while catching up on each other's lives.